So we just got home. And we got our stuff. We're gonna do it outside. We're gonna grab, so do you need 2 spoons? Yeah. And then
Do you have
paint? Yeah. Where is it? Yeah. We can just use this, right?
Yeah, let's just bring it outside.
Okay.
Can you bring these outside?
Fine. We need to get a towel. Here, grab those. Let me get a towel real quick. Wait.
Look.
Sorry.
Hi, you scared me
Hello.
to death.
I need to grab a towel.
How's it going?
Good? We're gonna make some slime. Okay, let's go on the front porch. Okay. Oh. No Baymax. Okay, let me lay out.
You need a bowl?
Bruh.
These are good.
Don't eat all of them, bro. I spent like 300 tickets on that. Ah. So we need to get a bowl still. We'll put you. So we still need to get a bowl. I'll be right back. Let me get a bowl. Entertain them. Sorry guys for the wait. I'm sorry. I feel like y'all are not gonna be interested in that in the video. Then y'all can like skip 5 minutes of it. Okay, so first let's get our glue. There, you gotta teach me how to make this. Okay,
So first you get the glue, and
oh,
you just dump all of it in.
all of it? We're making all of it? Okay. Okay guys, that's how it looks so far. That's not a lot of slime. Jeez, we should have got like a bigger one. It's not a lot of slime. Okay. It's some slime though.
It's gonna be good.
Yeah. When do we put the paint in it?
I don't know. Okay, now we're gonna put the paint in.
Have you not used all of it?
It's still drizzling.
I know. I guess we can just put it right there. Let's stay.
Okay.
I feel like there's still. Okay. Yeah.
Next, what we're gonna do is add the. Did you just put me a spoon?
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna be doing paint.
Okay. So we're gonna add our paint in here. I'm gonna make a purple slime. I feel
I'm
like.
gonna make like a tail slime, and I'm actually gonna add like glitter in it.
Okay.
I'm
So I'm gonna add this color. This color. I got purple. What
I
color?
like
do you have?
this like tail color.
See if it's chunky. It might be chunky.
Chunky's good.
No, you do not want chunky.
You know, I'm gonna make sure.
I can't. Mine's not coming out, guys.
Let's not use the same color.
What do you think? Oh, mine's chunky. Okay, that was a lot.
Okay, chunky makes it a lot.
Okay. Here, grab the phone and show them what yours looks like.
Okay, grab it.
Go grab it. I'm trying to mix this. Just drop it in. I don't want to.
So mine looks like that so far.
Okay, I'm mixing mine in.
Okay, you have to put that out.
Okay, guys. So let me mix mine up. That's how it looks. It's still kind of white. There's white spots, but that's okay. And then I can't even see yours. Okay. And we're gonna put you back up before the spoon falls. Okay.
Okay.
So, what's after that?
You can add glitter if you want.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna add glitter. I'm kind of making an Easter sign.
So
These
this-
kind of too. Because it's like,
Literally like bright, cute colors.
yeah. We're gonna use that one. There's not really a pink one there for me. There's none there.
I mean, you
Can I use that one?
Yeah.
It's not really gonna look good with my combo, but that's okay.
Get out of here.
Comment down below what's your favorite color.
Mine's pink, but I just.
Mine's purple, as you can tell. But she got teal because there's no pink in there.
Okay.
I might want to make it a light purple, so I'm gonna add just a little bit of. That's chunky. A little bit of white. You gotta pop a mango, cry to your mama.
That's just a guava.
Is this? I know. Don't. I'm not using it.
Ew.
You might want to mix it in. Yeah. Okay. It's fine. Yeah, she kind of missed
I
it.
met a guy in the summer. Broke up with this one.
Any more? I feel like there's more. No, there's not. Okay. There's just like a chunk. I want to show you.
I met a guy.
Look, it's like a chunk.
Is it okay if I put this on your towel?
Oh, sure. There's like a chunk in there, guys. So this is how mine looks. Mine looks pretty good. It already looks slimy for him, but it's not. Okay, do you have the magic thing?
You put shaving and cream in this.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Have you done this before, like these exact steps? With all of the same things?
Okay, but I haven't used paint before. It's fine.
Okay, so next we're going to use the shaving cream.
I'm going first because
No.
yes, I'm going first.
How much are you supposed to do? Okay.
Okay, let me do it.
No.
This is brand new, so y'all can't be hating on us.
I don't know what happened to it.
Oh, why do you put the
I'm going to mix it up. Guys, this is going to be like such the best slime ever. It smells good too because of the shaving cream.
We need to put some flavor in it.
Because the boots stop working and you have... I actually have like a flavor slime kit, and there's flavors in it. But like, it already smells good from the shaving cream.
And it matches my outfit.
Okay, guys, I'm going to show you mine so far. So I put the shaving cream in it. I don't know if I have to put
Mine's
more.
like a cloudy side.
I don't like cloud slimes because I don't really like the texture of it.
No. Mine's like
Oh my gosh, my dog's barking.
Did your boot stop?
Working. Should I add more shaving cream? Mary. I'm gonna add more. Oh, so now it comes out good. Okay, I see how it is, shaving cream. I see how it is because I used it.
And I want to use
Okay,
them.
guys, comment down below how much shaving cream is too much. Because I feel like never. Because, I don't know. Shaving cream just makes it like a butter slime. And that's what I'm going for. I want it to be a crunchy butter slime.
Mine's gonna be cloud slime.
Oh, mine looks so juicy. Like, from the shaving cream, since it was white, it looks lavender now. And that's what I wanted.
What?
Okay.
Will you open this? I got it.
Okay, guys, you know these things from earlier? Bomb.com. Oh my gosh, y'all, you ate so much, Mary, of them.
I only ate like one.
Bro, you ate like a million.
I think I'm gonna let this one hit and use it. I'm gonna use this on it and start squirting it because I don't want to use too much. I'm just gonna take that off and squirt it. Okay. Use that much.
I don't know how much you used.
Don't use a lot. Okay, squirt more. Okay, that's good.
Guys, I'm scared because I've never tried this magic liquid. She said it works. Not really looking like it.
You just have to play with it. Does your grandma come to your house a lot?
Not a lot. Is your boots stop working?
I don't know.
I'm gonna try to go cooking mom mode. Okay.
Add more.
I'm
I
eating
add
the
more.
last video.
Mine has glitter in it. And mine's slime. Alright. I have to play
Here,
with it.
show them.
Oh,
Her
is
microphone. Yeah, guys. She kind of ruined hers.
I did.
Yeah.
Everybody wants to know what I would do. Mine's actually turning into slime.
Should I add? I feel like I should add a little more.
That's a lot. Okay. Do not try
So, question of the day, Merritt. What should it be? What's the question?
How
How many panels in your pocket? Okay.
who's your favorite music teacher? That's not even a question, but whatever.
No, we are not. No. Well, we already did. What's your favorite color? But like, I feel like we need another one. So two.
What's your favorite car?
No.
I
What's your
know.
favorite skincare brand?
Yeah. And more.
I don't.
I've had a lot of that. Like you can't even stop that.
Okay, guys. So this is here. Wait, let me add a little more.
Oh Lord, no stop. Keep going.
No, I don't want to ruin mine like hers. I mean, hers is not ruined. It's just no.
A lot to work with.
Oh, flip! It kind of messed it up.
Mine's good.
If your boots stop working. Okay, guys.
Mine's in slime.
Guys! I don't know if I should start playing with mine yet. It's like a good consistency, though. Oh, flip. No! I don't want this to happen. All of it gets stuck on one hand.
I was wondering where y'all went. I was wondering why my truck smelled like Chick-fil-A. Cause y'all food was still in there. I'm eating it.
Okay.
Y'all need anything?
Nope.
Dude, that stuff turned out good.
Yeah.
Have y'all done it before?
Yeah.
She has.
Dang, that turned out good.
Yeah.
Mom had food coloring? Or we
We
got
use
that?
paint.
It don't get on your hands?
No.
We put it in before we used the shaving cream.
Okay. Y'all know what y'all are doing.
It's
That's
actually.
pretty cool. Y'all need music.
Yes, please. Can you get the speaker?
The little speaker?
Yeah.
And more. Even more.
It's in the back.
Okay. Thank you. Guys, this is actually really good. So, I want to show y'all. Because it's a really good consistency. Mary, can you film mine?
No.
Okay. Well, it's like this, and it's crunchy. We'll just show y'all when it gets a good consistency, and yeah. Yeah. Should I start playing it with my hands? I don't want it to get stuck. I don't want to ruin it because we don't have any more glue.
Mine's
If
so
your
good.
boots stop working. Comment down below which one you think y'all's are better, mine or hers, and which color is your favorite. My lavender-ish, purplish kind, or her tealish.
Mine's working so good.
Mine's working. I just don't want to get it stuck on my hands, and then I have to wash it off in the sink, and then
Fill mine.
I'm scared.
Hold on, let me.
I can't.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
What happened to your door?
Oh, my brother.
Oh, what?
What?
It's broke off in there. One of them's broke. I wonder if it's still stuck in the thing. I wonder if this works.
Oh, guys, mine is so good. This is the.
Look at mine.
Let me feel.
I feel yours.
Yeah. Don't get stuck. Okay.
Oh, yours is cold.
I know, because I don't play with it. I didn't play with it yet. You have so much more in there, man. I'm scared to play with it, guys. Did your boots stop? I want my, okay, my spoon's fully off.
Must be broke.
Is there another one?
Yeah, I'm sure. Not crazy.
What did your brother do to the door?
So we were, okay, guys, so you see that crack, no,
That one behind you.
right behind me, you'll see, like, kind of, it's a circle. If y'all saw it in real person, yeah. So, I'm telling Merritt this story, and, so, we were hitting baseballs, my brother was, and I don't
Helping
even
him?
know. No. I was, like, getting the balls from everywhere, like, outfield or something, and he was hitting, like, that way, but, like, towards us, so he hit it real hard, and it hit the...
What did your mom do?
She wasn't mad.
What did she say?
Nothing. My brother just started crying because he felt bad. But he didn't get in trouble.
How old was he?
What?
How old was he?
Right. Maybe 11 or 10.
What did you do?
I went, oh! Oh, flip. This is what I was scared of. Did your boots stop working?
Did you? Mine's crunchy, fluffy, and just everything.
Mine's like the best. You still have so much more in there you can add to your
But
slime.
mine's like really fluffy.
Mine's like fluffy and sticky.
Yours is buttery.
No, mine's like the same texture as yours.
Let me feel it.
No, you're gonna get your hands
No, I'm not.
stuck to it. It's jiggly, 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 jiggly. Did your boots stop working?
Let's see if this one works.
Put some more shaving cream in mine.
You want to?
Yeah.
What? I want to see what happens if I put just a little bit more.
That makes it fluffy.
Yeah.
Or it makes like this and then
Oh no. Dang it, I kind of liked it better without the more shaving cream. That's okay. It's kind of the same. Yeah, guys. Buy this slime off and eat it. I'm just kidding. It's very... Merritt, how would you describe your slime?
fluffy.
Oh, okay. Alright, Becca, you gotta do it.
My, like, connect
Yeah.
what?
Jiggly.
Can I use your phone?
No, your phone. You can't use your phone?
We're doing a video.
No. Okay, no. Well then, never mind. Never mind.
Good stuff. Put more in there.
What?
Put more shaving cream.
Am I?
Yeah.
Already did.
No, like way more.
I put like mine is. I would describe mine as fluffy, jiggly, and buttery.
I
no,
describe
you
mine
don't.
as it.
Mine. I describe mine as a yacht.
That's what I just said. Did your boobs stop?
I have more shaving cream.
Okay, so guys, so if you're one of my subscribers
Could I
watching this
say-
right now, or
Oh.
subscribe, Harper Griffin, what are y'all being so mean to me? Like, I don't understand
Bruh. Cherry.
what.
Harp. Wait, what were you talking about?
understand what I did to you for me to deserve this.
What?
Okay, so they're on a call right now. We're in this group chat with them. And they're on a call, and like
They're being rude.
they're mean.
I'm scared of them. They're like, ha, bruh.
So they just did like Harper Griffin. So I guess she was,
Getting bullied.
yeah.
I mean, Ari is a troublemaker.
Aubrey,
Not.
did your
I'll put
boots
the Alexa
stop
out here.
working?
And you can say like,
Yeah.
Okay.
Alexa,
Turn on beautiful
play me
things.
the Benson Boone song.
The Benson Boone.
Beautiful thing.
Did your boots stop working? Why are you putting that in it?
Because I like it.
I know, but now it's gonna be way over activated.
What's gonna be really good slime?
No, it's not, bro. You just ruined it. She just ruined it. Put shaving cream in there. Did your boots stop working?
Shaving cream makes like a different color.
I know. Okay, what are we talking about? Yeah, so we ate all these. Sad. Comment down below if you want more slime videos. Y'all hear that crack?
Do y'all hear this?
Alexa. Alexa. Hold on, just waiting. Is it Alexa or Siri?
Alexa.
Hey Alexa. Oh, it's on me.
Nobody ever uses it anymore, so that's probably why.
Hey, it came on the screen, man.
Oh.
Mama, you don't jiggle jiggle.
Did your boots
Alexa.
stop working?
Bruh. We're gonna enjoy the call.
No. Okay, fine.
Stop. Stop playing anymore.
Should I add my shaving cream?
Hi.
Oh. Guys, I added. Guys, why are y'all being so mean to everybody?
Yeah.
And what are those? Who are you? And what are those? You
I
are
don't know.
gross.
I don't know.
Well, I added more shaving cream in it, and now it's bad stuff. Did your boots stop? Okay, so we're on a Facebook time with Aubrey Oxley and Ava Cox.
So they're being rude because they're telling us that we went to Sephora and they didn't.
Hat.
You are just jealous I didn't go to Sephora.
There. And now you are ignoring me. Wow, what friends I have. Guys, what were y'all doing? Did your boots stop working?
Alexa.
Is it working?
I'm at Becky's house.
Alexa, play. Alexa, play Beautiful Things by Benson Boone.
Why are y'all jealous that y'all didn't go to Sephora? What?
No, okay, so we were on the way home from getting our
Stuff?
stuff, and Merritt joined the call, and Aubrey, you said like,
Why are you
Merritt, what are you, Merritt, what are you doing, or Merritt, what, or Merritt, something mean. Leave the call. Leave the call right now, Merritt.
You're just jealous.
Leave the call right now, Merritt. Merritt,
No,
leave
it's just
the call
Ava.
right now.
It's just why was Aubrey being rude? Well, Harper's not doing anything. Like, it's Aubrey.
Oh, of course she is. Oh, okay.
Tell her
yeah.
she's a brat.
No. Leave the call right now. Leave the call.
tell. Well, she is being a brat. Is she though?
Guys, you should see when she talks to her parents.
Who?
Marion.
I'm
You-
not doing it. I didn't even.
You're mean to your parents. 25 minutes.
But isn't she
Did
being
your
rude?
food stop working?
But this is not about parents. This is about her being rude to her friends.
Mm-hmm. Call Elin McClure.
I'm calling Aubrey. She hates me talking.
I don't know, guys. Did your boots stop working?
I'm
Guys,
gonna
this is
call,
like the best
I'm
song
calling
ever.
Harper.
Stop.
What's her number, baby? Harper.
Yeah. Did your boots stop working? No, show me.
Okay.
Here, stop doing the face thing. Yeah, good.
Harper.
Harper,
What is happening?
show your face. What is happening? How are they being?
They're being rude to me.
How are they being rude? Turn your iPad up. Did you? Okay, guys. So we're playing with slime, and then we're also on a phone call.
Okay, what?
So they're ignoring me, and then they're like, so we're all playing a game, and then they want to be partners, and I asked them why, and they
Oh.
No, Ari was just being mean to Mary.
Yeah, she literally was just being rude to me. She's like, I don't care that you went to Sephora. You're rude. She's being weird.
she said that. We're all friends. She's like, I don't care if they're at Sephora. Like, they're trying to share what they're doing, like,
Literally, preach. Did
She's
you?
literally being rude.
I hate all this.
Oh,
I do too.
roar.
I mean, Ava
Oh.
also jerked.
I mean, I don't feel like Ava did anything.
Yeah, I don't feel like Ava. It's
It's mostly Aubrey. I feel like she's trying to steal Ava.
Yeah.
Aubrey. Lord, I wish I never met that girl.
Oh, roar.
how did you meet her anyway?
Through Ava. She was like, okay, let me add you to call Aubrey.
No. Okay, so Aubrey adds me to random people calls, like friends I don't even know.
Yeah, she added me to like a girl named Stella. I'm kidding. Mom, just making a example.
A example. Bro, this video is like 30
Oh,
minutes.
no, that's what happened. Like, that's how I met y'all. Ari and Megan, but that's how I met Merrick. And like,
Yeah, like sometimes it's good, but sometimes it's just gets ruined.
yeah, but like, you shouldn't ask people without asking. Like, you should ask them, do you want to join this call?
Yeah. Look at that, okay?
I added too much shaving cream. My slime's ruined for real. Look.
Just sure you may make it with you. Are you?
No.
You just have to play with it, won't you?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know why the music thing ain't working. Hey Alexa. It's not. I don't know if it's the box. If it's the box or the cord, this one should work.
Did your boo stop working?
Oh, dang.
Ooh,
Has Aubrey always been like that?
kind
Yeah.
of.
I don't know how yours is. So annoying.
Y'all need anything?
No.
Could we maybe get like a
Yeah, what do you want?
What?
Mary hasn't drank anything all day.
what should we?
She's gonna be dehydrated.
Can I have water?
Yeah? Bottled water?
Yeah.
Okay. Cold or
Yeah.
warm?
Cold.
Cold. What do you want?
Gatorade.
Cold or warm?
Cold.
Okay. One water or one.
You wanna get Takis too?
Well, you could have asked him.
Ask him. You gonna share
This is
Takis?
30 minutes long.
You gonna ask him to share Takis?
This is like the longest.
I've never tried Takis in my life.
Guys, she's never tried Talkies. I've tried Talkies like a million times.
Oh.
Yeah.
Did your boots stop working?
Well, I've tried them, I just don't like them.
Then why'd you ask for them?
I don't know.
Okay, guys. Yeah. I want to see if this is still crunchy because I added like a
I
lot
drink
of shaving
so
cream
much
to it.
all day. I drink water today.
Yeah, it's still crunchy. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of this to it because I added so much shaving.
I actually drank like 10 waters today, actually, at my house.
Okay. Wow.
So can't be talking.
Me?
Bro, what is Aubrey talking about? She's being a jerk.
That sounded like a fart. Who heard that?
Me.
Okay, guys. So I.
Aubrey's a butthole.
Stop. That's mean. She walked like my
Don't
family.
get it. You know it's true.
No.
Water. I probably should open it, huh?
Did your boots stop working? I'm gonna take a little bit of it and just. Hey, Dad. My aunt wants Talkies.
Why not?
Yes, she does. Can we have Talkies, please?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I mean, I guess we got it.
I wish my dad would do that. You guys, have you eaten anything?
See that? Bro, why'd you lie? Did your boots stop
Working.
Did your boobs stop working?
Did you say boo?
What does it say?
Did your boots?
Does it not say boots?
It does not. It says boot.
Did your boots stop working?
Did your boobs stop working?
Did your boobs stop working?
Yeah, they're not working anymore. The boys aren't attractive.
No, we're gonna do it.
Wait, so starfish have those mouths like in the
We said boobs. We'll cut that out, don't worry.
No.
Guys, you don't know how like the mermaids like have starfish on their boobs.
Yeah.
Well, the starfish have mouths like in the middle of their body, and that's where the like.
What?
What?
Which one?
Oh, yeah. The blue ones. You want the blue ones or the red ones?
Blue Heat or Fuego or Intense
Blue
Nacho?
heat. Blue heat.
Blue.
Blue Heat.
You need to share it, Beckett?
Yeah. Sure, I guess.
We might not have Blue Heat.
Okay, I'll just take red then.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Did
Hold
your
on,
boots
hold on.
stop working?
Oh, there's one bag of Blue Heat.
Okay,
Is that
she
what
can
you
have
want?
it.
Yeah.
She can have it. I'll take red.
Are these really good?
Yeah.
Alright, there's Blue Heat. Okay.
So your
Now.
mom, she forgot
What do you want? Blue or...
Uh,
Look, we got another Blue Heat.
oh, I want red.
You want Intense Nacho.
Ew, no.
You want Fuego.
Yes, that.
This one. Whatever it is. Alright.
Can I feel your sign, Matt? Can I feel it?
Mm-hmm.
Yours is so good.
That is
So mine. Mine is bad.
What was that? Was that like?
These Talkies are spicy.
Okay. Let me try one.
3.
Why is it spicy?
No reaction.
No!
We should eat these and like no reaction and start puking.
What time is it?
It's 4:23. What?
Okay, let's do first one.
My talkie dust is in my slime.
First one, talkie blue. What? Why does it matter? Mine is blue anyway.
Call me forever.
What was that one?
Next, we're gonna be trying blue one. We're gonna do one.
I thought you already had a blue one, bro. If you're blue.
Becky, what was that blue?
What?
It about fell.
Yeah.
It's
Hang on.
Mary, it looks like Why is it spicy?
Have you seen that? Why is it spicy?
Remember when Chase tried a talkie?
Yeah, that was bad. I can't remember. Did he like it?
He's sorry, he got sick.
Wait, Jace, like,
He ate it and then he got sick.
in our class, Jace?
Yeah. Did he go to Howard Perrin last year?
Did you leave? Guys, I'm trying to eat my talkie,
Did
but
he
I
go to
just,
Howard Perrin last year?
no.
Where did he go?
I don't know. Right? You call me forever, but he still can't call me back now.
No reaction. We try not to get these in our eyes. Bad time. I have the blue talkies.
I have the red.
No reaction.
Oh God, Aubrey was telling me videos
Bro,
She said there's probably like 9 of them.
She doesn't have to be rude.
she's so jealous.
Bro, we only made 2 smart ones.
Wait, I'm gonna look.
No, he made way more.
Overall, babe, because we paused the video.
So your mom.
Well, we like YouTube videos.
Mm-mm.
Not to post them, not like the shorts. Yeah, on your YouTube channel.
No.
What's it called?
I don't want to do it right now, man. Just let her do it. Just, come on, let's make sign. I'm not filming this.
Can you screen share?
I'm filming this.
Yeah.
Why is yours so big?
Screen share, please.
I'm screen sharing right now.
I can't see your screen. Okay, now you can. Show me back its YouTube channel.
Man, stop.
No, it's Beckett. It's Beckett Boo.
And it's half my fault. I just like to play with my dreams. Out the house, all my friends come home for Christmas, and I'm dream each night I'm so learn of you. It's fine. Let's just talk.
No reaction.
You can call me back.
I'm done. I can't eat these anymore.
Put them in your son.
How many? Eat one more. Half the one.
Okay. I think we should end the video now. It's 40 minutes. Okay. Y'all enjoy. Subscribe. Love y'all. Peace. Bye.